Hello guys, so many people doesn't know how to do this kind of editing. I'm here today to teach you how to do this kind of editing, because if you are merging content, if you are merging someone else's content with yours, do this kind of editing and avoid any restriction, because definitely your face must show in the video. You understand? Just like this one on my screen. So if you are here for this tutorial, please don't miss any part, don't skip any part. If not, you missed the vital part of this video. Okay, stay tuned for my next video. Of course, my name is Big Joe. Don't forget to like and share. You enter your CapCut, then click on new project. Then you select the video you want to use. Let's take for instance now, let me use this video. Okay, this is the video I'm using. So for instance now, you want to do this kind of editing. Then you click on overlay, you add overlay, then you click on the video you want to react to. Let's take for instance, you want to react to this video. Let's take for instance, you want to react to this. This just take a moment. Get it. For instance now, this is this thing. For instance, you want to see anything about this. I'm just using this as an illustration. You understand? Look at the picture displaying, look at the video displaying here, and you can actually mute this one. This one here, let's mute it. You can actually mute the sound. Then this first clip will be talking, that should be talking, and then anytime you want to pause, you want this one to pause, and this clip will continue moving. Then you go to this side, you shift down to your left, then here you reduce it. Then this other one now, you now add this volume. So can you see it? So then after which, for instance now, you want to add a picture, or how will I call it, a picture in your video. So you go down, see the same step, click on overlay, go to your picture. Let's say for instance you want to add this Ronaldo picture to it, and then you go there, then you kind of enter this thing, what is it called, you enter remove background, click on remove background, automatic remover. Can you see it? Then you go here, you decrease it down, you shift it to your left hand side, then you add the layers. So can you see it? So this is how to do your reaction video. For instance, you are saying anything about particular, for instance now I'm talking about Ronaldo, things about football. You just cut a picture of him and put it here, then say something about it. That's how to use CapCut to do your reaction video. If this video is of help to you, please like and share this video.